while I've been filming this, some posts come, and I just wanted to show you one of the things. I can never wait. I always have to go rush and open the post the second it comes through the door. And I'm glad I did, because I want to show you what it is. It's a belated birthday card from lovely Melvin from Positively Papercraft. She's so talented, and I'm really enjoying seeing her using lots of different products now, instead of just Stampin' Up products, because she's sort of opening my mind to a new world of possibilities, if you like. So if you head over to her channel, Positively Papercraft, she's got also got a blog which is Positively Papercraft, and there's also a Facebook group, Positively Papercraft, which is a fabulous group which I belong to. I'm one of the admin of, actually. Not that I find much time to do much admin of it, but I do when I can. And she sent me this lovely card. It was my birthday last week. If you missed it and you want to send me a card, and you've got an excuse now to use those belated birthday wishes stamps, feel free. Anyway, I'm not asking for birthday cards, but I'm just thinking, you know, like, I remember I had a stamp that I really wanted to use, and it just wasn't relevant to anything or anyone. My dog's just ripping some paper up. And then all of a sudden it was, and I thought, yeah, at last. I think it was congratulations on the birthday of twins. And I thought, yeah, I could use it at last. Somebody had twins. So, yeah. But look at this card. It's beautiful. Now, this is the tea. I'm not quite sure what DSP this is, but I don't think it's Stampin' Up. It feels too thick. And it's full of iridescent hearts and silver glitter. Oh, little silver stars. It's beautiful. Shaker card. This ribbon is from the tea time. The tea shop. Tea, whatever it is. The tea suite in Stampin' Up, and this ribbon is absolutely gorgeous, and it comes in a 2-pack. Mint macaron, and I think the other one's very vanilla, actually. And I love this heart die cut. I need to get some heart dies. This is the Tag Topper Punch from Stampin' Up, which is a really great versatile punch, and that looks like mint macaron ink, and this looks like mint macaron card. Now I think these are the roses that Anne showed. She'd bought dies for, small ones and a big one, from the good old alley, I think. And they're gorgeous. The images on the camera just don't do them justice. And she's done them in mint macaron, and then she's tipped them with gold glitter, which really matches this ribbon really well. It just goes beautifully together. Absolutely stunning, gorgeous card. It's not just a card, it's a piece of art, it's inspiration. Absolutely love it. And then it's been, obviously it's quite deep with foam tape, because obviously it's a shaker card. It's beautiful. I think she's used just cellophane, or normally use window sheet, but this is softer than window sheet. I like it as well. It's more sort of pouchy. Love it. And also she sent me this. This is really strange because I've never seen such cute little paper pack before. 4x4 paper pack. It's so cute. And a stamp set, which is a Forever Friends stamp set. I love Forever Friends stuff. I always have done. But the fact that it's called opulent is one of my favourite words. I laughed when I saw it, because I thought, if you know me really well, you know opulent is one. Oh, it's so opulent. Oh, I can't have that. You know, I need something more opulent than that. So it's one of my favourite words. And you know what? I mean, I think opulent means, you know, really good quality or showy or something like that. I'm just going to look it up now to see what it actually does mean. What the dictionary definition is. yeah, ostentatiously costly and luxurious. So it's just my word, opulent. I love it. So yeah, I just laughed when I saw it, and I love anything gold. I'm like a magpie. So yeah, gold, silver, copper, any you know, lovely metals. So yeah, it's lovely, and that stamp set is gorgeous. Look at that. There's that big thank you. I love thank you stamps because, you know, when you're doing sets of cards for fairs and things like that, or to sell in your shop or whatever, thank yous are always a good seller because, you know, we all have a reason to say thank you to somebody on a daily basis, really, whether we choose to take a card and send it to them and to say thank you. I don't know, but it would be lovely if we did, wouldn't it? Yeah, and then I love the sort of two-tone of that. I love this. Today you're officially fabulous. I think that would make a fantastic fridge magnet, which is what I'm going to do with it. Hello, lovely. That's gorgeous. There's a little stamp there. I can't read what that says. And then there's the bear with the star. And I've got that same stamp, but it's big, and she's got a Santa suit on, but holding the star as well. So that's quite nice. This says Forever Friends. It's just a Forever Friends watermark, sort of what do you call it, wax seal kind of stamp. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. I'll definitely, well, I'm going to use whenever I get anything like this, I always like to use it and to show a couple of projects with it. I've got my Christmas stash from the clearance rack. I've still got to do a couple of projects and show what I come up with that, but I'm definitely going to do something with this. I just want to have a look at the, oh, I can already see they're opulent. I can already see they're gorgeous. And you know what? This is why you very rarely see me make anything that's glittery or anything that's metallic, because I get the papers and the washi tapes and I get the embellishments and stuff, and I never use them because they're just too gorgeous. I don't want to part with them. So, yeah, I'm going to have to change that a little bit. When I do things that are gold and silver and things like that, they tend to be some of my most popular projects because I'm obviously very much at home using those things. So, because of my opulent nature. So anyway, in actual fact, you couldn't get less opulent than me. I don't do, you can see I never wear jewelry. I only wear jewelry if it's a special occasion. I don't adorn myself. I don't lavish my house with things. I'm a very simple, basic person, but when I do push the boat out, I push it out. So yeah. Oh, look at that. It's a lovely marble paper. They're single-sided, these. Aren't they cute? I mean, that's just a card with a, and in itself, isn't it? They're just so cute. Can you imagine you could make, oh look, they've even got, you wouldn't even have to do much. You could just cut those out with a framelit and stick it on. That'd be you done. That'd be your card sorted. They're great. Can you imagine you could make a whole, how many pages? There's 24 pages. You could easily make 24 cards. And today I've just picked up 100 4x4 cards and envelopes for a tenner. So from another site, so which I'll probably show you when they arrive. So you could actually get three more packs of this and you could make 100 cards very easily. So yeah, that's gorgeous. Oh, I love that. Do you know, this reminds me of a really expensive chocolate. It's like, yeah, it just reminds me of an expensive chocolate brand. I think that would be gorgeous to make my own truffles and pop in a box with that on top. Gorgeous. Oh, definitely. I've got truffles. My truffles are already in the fridge. In my mind, I'm already on that one. Oh, look at that. It's beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. It could quite well with mint macaron ink as well, that. That's gorgeous. I wonder if you can get this in bigger packs. Oh, I love that. bit of an optical illusion. Oh, big hug, fabulous, love letter. That's foiled, isn't that beautiful? That is gorgeous. Absolutely love that, Anne. Thank you so much for that little gift. It's really, really brightened my day. These days, life is very tough for us, as people who know us know. This inquiry into my nephew's death is very, very, very draining. And I'm supporting my sister through that. Nobody should go through that when they've just lost their child. And they shouldn't have to go through that on their own. And I'm really, really hoping I'm helping to get her through this in one piece. And she's struggling a lot at the minute, a lot. I'm very worried about her. And I'm struggling as a consequence, because I'm struggling for myself anyway, but then thinking of her, and my son's having a bit of a hard time at the minute with everything that's going on. So yeah, it's a very tough time for us at the minute. So having something, I'm nearly crying, and I don't do that very often, having something pretty and cute just come through the door is absolutely fabulous. And it's just made me realise how important it can be to people to just get something they're not expecting. And so I'm going to make sure that that stack of rack cards that I've had there for weeks finally gets in the post, because somebody else out there might be needing a little bit of a pick-me-up like I was. Thank you so much, Anne, and thank you all for watching. And yeah, thank you for other happy birthdays that I got. I did show a couple of happy birthday cards that I got. Yeah, it went in a bit of a blur, my birthday. I didn't really want a birthday this year, for the first year since my mum died as well. So it's been a bit of a bleak old year, but we're getting there. And you people make a difference. You really do. So thank you for that. And I'll see you again very soon. Okay, bye-bye.